Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today class I'll be talking about the continuation of the different forex traders, and today class I'll be highlighting more about swing traders and also position traders. So guys, before I get started, make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, and also share this video as much as you can, because it's actually going to help a lot of persons to learn a lot, to gain more knowledge about forex trading. So guys, let's get started. Now let's take the first point. The first point is about swing trading. Now let's look at the meaning of a swing trader, because a lot of persons ask me the meaning of swing trader. So swing trader, these are simply traders that they like to keep trades for a period of 1 day. They can keep trades for like a period of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, and a maximum of 4 weeks. So the main idea about swing trading is that they like to keep trades for days and also now for weeks, but the main idea is that it cannot be above a month. And they are targeting medium price movement. And let's look at some of the benefits of trading as a swing trader. Also look at some of the disadvantages of trading as a swing trader. On my list, the advantage number 1 as a swing trader, the first advantage is that you are going to have less screen time. As a swing, since you are doing analysis using 4-hour time frame, 1 day time frame, even 2 days time frame, so you discover that you are going to have less time to be analyzing charts, to be analyzing your day-to-day chart. So you discover that you are going to spend less time on the screen. Now another advantage is that you are going to have less emotional stress, because I can remember, if you are starting trading, you are going to discover that there will be a lot of emotions. So as a swing trader, you are going to have less emotions as a swing trader. Another advantage is that as a swing trader, it's a bit flexible. It's a bit flexible in the sense that as a swing trader, you can be doing your other businesses while also trading as a swing trader. Like for example, you can be doing your different job, you can be doing your business, you can be doing one thing or other, because as a forex trader, you don't need to spend all your time only doing trading, because you can also be doing other stuff. You can also invest in other portfolio. So as a swing trader, so you can actually be doing your other activities as compared now to scalping and day trading, because as a scalper, you need to be observing the charts, maybe on minute basis, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on and so forth. So discover as a swing trader, it's very flexible. Now, another advantage of a swing trader is that as a swing trader, he or she is going to have a large potential for making a lot of profit. Particularly when if the market should be your take profit point, you are going to have a lot of potential of making a lot of profit. Now let's go to some of the disadvantages of swing trading. Now the first disadvantage of swing trading is that there's a potential of overnight risk. I'm sure in my past videos I did explain about what we talk about the overnight risk. Overnight risk simply means that, for example, forex trading always ends on Friday. I mean, for those that are trading currencies, trading different coins. So you discover that the market will close on Friday by 10 p.m. and the market will only open now on Sunday. That's when the market is going to open by. That is Sunday. It depends on your time that you're using. It just depends. So I'm not going to be giving specific time, but the main idea is that wherever you can find yourself. So you discover that the market is going to start on Sunday by 10 p.m. And in that time, you're going to discover that there's a gap between when the market ended and when the market is open. So you discover that there's a huge potential that, for example, if the market ended at a particular point, there's a high possibility that the market is not going to resume at that same point, because even though the market was closed, it means that trading had stopped. It's just that the banks were closed within the week during weekends. So another way of understanding overnight risk is that, for example, if you're within the day and maybe trades, because on daily basis, if you're trading currency pairs, you're going to discover that trades will always be closed by 10 p.m. of that particular day, and they'll be open by 11 p.m. on that particular day. So you discover that where the market closes is not always going to open at that particular point. So you discover that there can be a lot of fluctuation. Now let's go to another disadvantage of a swing trader. Another disadvantage of a swing trader is that you need to be able to have a large, so they use potential now for huge stop loss. Because as a swing trader, since you are keeping trades for days, for weeks, so you discover that you are going to have a huge potential for stop loss. And if that particular trade should hit their stop loss, they are going to making a lot of losses. Now another disadvantage is that as a swing trader, a lot of tied up capital in the sense that since your stop loss distance is a little bit higher, it's very high. So you discover that their capital can be tied up, because for that because for your take profit point to actually be heated, it's going to take a lot of time, because you are keeping trades for a longer period of time as compared to day trading and also scalping trading. So those are some of the advantages and the disadvantages of swing trading. But as a beginner in forex, if you're still a beginner in forex, so I can tell you that trading as a swing trader is better because, one, as I said, the first point is that it's very flexible. You can be doing your other jobs, like you can be doing your different businesses while trading, because as I said, you can only focus only on trading alone, so you need to be doing other things while trading. So you discover that swing trading is appropriate for beginners. So thank you so much, dear viewers. Make sure you like and also comment on my videos.